China is looking at banning all news media not directly funded by the Communist Party. That's according to a report in The Telegraph, which says Beijing published a draft law stating that privately funded organizations may not engage in news gathering, editing, and broadcasting. Joining us now, Kyle Bass, founder and CIO of Hayman Capital Management. And if there were, we don't have to look very far and very wide to have you on every couple of weeks, Kyle, with the ongoing. This is episodic. This is not like a mini series. This is going to be going on for years. There's going to be there's going to be a 10th season. All the stuff that's happened recently. You saw the latest that any bank in China that is dealing with any of the private companies, she wants to know about that now as well. I mean, this is a real shift, and it's a pretty, I think it's a seismic shift, really, in what we're seeing from President Xi. Is it all about getting a third term?
No, I think it's much deeper than that, Joe. I think, first of all, the Chinese media ban is something that if you just take a few steps back and you look at what their grand strategy is, it seems to be with Xi's October 9th speech talking about the peaceful reunification of Taiwan and how that intertwines with the ban of all non-Chinese Communist Party based media and the rollout of their central bank digital currency in 2022. It just looks to me like they're setting the stage for whether Taiwan surrenders peacefully or Xi does an aggressive militaristic landing. I think it's inevitable that Taiwan's days are numbered. As far as what's gone on with regard to this is the eighth inspection under Secretary Xi, as far as different investigations into their corruption. And what if you read deeply into what they're doing in the banking sector, they're specifically targeting banks that are making loans to troubled sectors, i.e. the property sector. So it looks to me like Xi is looking for a bunch of fall guys as opposed to setting forth a policy solution for rescuing Evergrande and the Chinese property sector, which is overlevered and collapsing. So I think this is a policy shift, and I think that investors better pay a lot of attention to exactly what's being said here.